Are you looking for the best hybrid mattresses? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best hybrid mattresses on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Olee Sleep Queen Mattress. The Olee Sleep mattress is designed for people who really value their sleep. Its contoured support gives ultimate comfort and makes your sleep experience even more pleasing. Starting off with two 2-inch thick foam layers on top, you can rest on a contoured surface that provides pressure relief. The first is a memory foam layer and the second is a hollow conjugated top-class fiber that assists in adequate ventilation to maintain temperature when sleeping. The mattress features tempered steel coils that keep the weight distribution even. The 7.5-inch thick coil layer gives support and firmness to the mattress. The coils are encased independently, which means that you won't notice any motion disturbances. This lets you sleep in peace despite having a partner who tosses and turns during the night. The 1-inch gel-infused layer relieves any pressure in your shoulders, lower back or hips. In addition, it provides support to the neck, relieving any stress in that area too. Stomach sleepers will also find this mattress very comforting as it conforms to their body and eases any pressure or stress. In addition to the element of comfort, the many layers of the mattress also provide protection to the coils, adding to their longevity. With incredible comfort features, the mattress also provides durability and matchless quality. The mattress comes with an attractive cover that does well in the aesthetics department. It has a mid-range price point which is worth the investment for a comfortable night's sleep. Number 2. LUCID 12-inch Hybrid Mattress. The LUCID Queen Hybrid Mattress will give you a comfortable, easy sleep with its amazing material and design. This mattress is a hybrid of a 3.5-inch aloe vera and bamboo charcoal foam paired with 6.5-inch springs. Its unique design is composed of a transition foam that comes infused with aloe vera and a 2-inch layer of bamboo charcoal infused memory foam. These natural infusions serve 2 purposes. The first is to regulate moisture for easy and comforting sleep, while the second is to keep unpleasant odors away. The second layer is made up of a 2-inch support foam with dual transition layers to create an even feel. The individually encased coils made of high-quality steel respond to movement and increase the airflow for a better sleep experience. This feature also provides extra durability to the mattress, meaning once you invest in it, it will last for years to come. This mattress also has a 6-inch edge foam around the perimeter of the mattress that offers better edge support. This model comes with a thick knit cover in 2 complementing tones, making it an aesthetically pleasing product. The cover is zippered for easy removal and washing. Whereas most mattresses give in to weight or pressure after some time, LUCID comes with a 10-year warranty for any manufacturer defect in the product. For convenience, this mattress comes roll-packed when shipped. This lets you carry it up through the staircase or narrow hallway to where you want to use it. Number 3. Linenspa 8-inch Hybrid Mattress. This is a medium-firm memory foam mattress that has contouring properties that conform to your body and cradle you to sleep. For maximum comfort, the mattress eases pressure in stress points in your neck, arms, hips and back. The construction of this model is a no-fuss deal featuring 2 layers of poly foam and tempered steel coils. Together, the 2 make up for a pressure-relieving support system that gives some bounce yet remains soft and firm. There is a 0.5-inch cover with memory foam quilted into its fabric, which is designed for immediate support and even weight distribution. The next layer of a 1.5-inch foam gives a firmer surface feel while minimizing pressure points. These top 2 inches of the mattress guarantee full body conforming without any major sinking issues. The remaining 6-inch open coil system lends the foam with additional support and some bounce. The coils are separated from the foam layer by felt pads. These insulate the springs and add to the product's durability. Together, these features provide good ventilation to an otherwise thick mattress. Number 4. Mercer Cool Gel Hybrid Pillow Top Mattress. Classic Brands uses a combination of traditional wrapped coils and advanced memory foam layers. Both the individually encased coils and breathable memory foam ensures an optimal breathing experience for everyone. The 12-inch profile of this mattress features a 0.5-inch top layer of gel-infused memory foam. The second and third layers are 0.25 inches of comfort foam each, with a fourth layer of 0.5-inch comfort foam. The quilted knit cover comes with beautiful detailing and has a corded edge. In addition, the knit sides are also made breathable for an overall top-notch experience. Since the memory foam is gel-infused, it provides comfort and disperses the body heat to keep you cool and the mattress breathable. Plus, the material is hypoallergenic and resistant to mold, bacteria and allergens. The design of this mattress has been kept orthopedic so you sleep without being disturbed. The 8 inches of springs keep motion disturbances to the minimum. You could be sleeping with a fretful sleeper and not know it. The individually encased coils move on their own and reduce motion transfer. The 13-gauge steel coils provide even support and are wrapped in a fabric engineered to minimize friction. The mattress is compatible with any type of bed foundation, including a flat platform, slatted foundation, box spring, or even on the floor. This product ships compressed, rolled and packed in a box for convenient setup. It is also certified by CertiPUR US for durability and performance. Number 5. Suiforlun Queen Mattress. The Suiforlun 14-inch mattress features a traditional design with steel gauge coils encased individually. This traditional feature is complemented by the latest memory foam technology that delivers optimum hours of quality sleep. The multilayers of this model start off with a layer of gel memory foam with 4 layers of memory foam to conform to your body. The gel memory foam responds to your body weight and pressure points. It also helps keep your spine aligned as you sleep, reducing lower back aches and pains. The remaining foam layers all work together to provide the ultimate comfort and support your natural alignment. As with any hybrid model, the individually wrapped coils make the support base and yield individualized comfort by conforming to the body. This system also prevents motion transfer to let you sleep peacefully through the night. With twice as many base coils as other models have, the Suiforlun mattress offers deeper and more cushioning layers. And while it gives great support, it doesn't feel too hard. The bamboo fiber used in this model makes it breathable and minimizes the release of any toxins. You can experience the resiliency and durability of this material along with the comfort it offers. Bamboo also holds the potential to adapt to the body's temperature, keeping you warm in cooler temperatures and cooling you down in warmer conditions. Together, the layers work to create a sleep surface that addresses all the right concerns for customers. You will find plushness, bounce, responsiveness, support and temperature neutrality all rolled in one.